In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in your documents effortlessly. Knowing how to strike through text can be incredibly useful, particularly when you want to indicate that something has been completed or is no longer relevant. This feature helps keep your documents organized and can be a great visual aid. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're comfortable with it by the end of our session. First, you want to begin by identifying the text that you need to strike through. Open your document and take a moment to scan through it. Ask yourself, does this represent completed tasks, outdated information, or maybe even canceled events? Once you've identified the portions of text that require this alteration, it's time to highlight them. Click and hold with your mouse at the start of the text, then drag to the endpoint, or alternatively, hold the Shift key and use the arrow keys to select your text. This ensures you don't miss any part of the text you want to strike through. Now that you've highlighted the relevant text, it's time to apply the strike-through formatting. Navigate to the top menu of your document editor and locate the Format tab. It's usually situated between other menu options, such as File and Insert. Clicking on Format will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of different options. Don't worry if this seems overwhelming at first. Once you're familiar with this menu, it becomes second nature. Here, you're going to look for an option labeled Text. Hover over or select this submenu. Within the Text submenu, you'll see several formatting options. These options are designed to help you adjust how your text looks, from bolding and italicizing to, you guessed it, strike through. Locate strike through on this list. A simple click on Strike Through will apply the formatting to your selected text, crossing it out neatly. Take a look at your document. You'll now notice that the text you highlighted has a line running through it, signaling to your readers that this information has been marked out. And there you have it, a straightforward method to strike through text in your documents. This feature can be a real asset in maintaining clarity and tracking progress in everything from simple lists to extensive reports. If you're using keyboard shortcuts, remember that Ctrl plus Shift plus X is often a quick and easy way to get the same result, though this can vary depending on your software or operating system. Choosing to be intentional with formatting options like strike-through can significantly enhance the readability and professionalism of your documents. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to explore other formatting tools available in your document editor. See you next time.